students, today I am going to discuss about the characteristics of solution, suspension and colloids under the chemistry chapter of standard 8 of chapter number 8, that is water. We are going to discuss about the characteristics. So the first characteristics is types of mixture. So in the solution the type of mixture is homogeneous. In the suspension the type of mixture it is heterogeneous, and in the colloids it is the homogeneous mixture. So now the next characteristics of solution, suspension and colloid, that is settling of the solution, means the impurities, or when we add to make the solution, we have seen solute plus we add the solvent and then we form the solution. So we have to tell about how in the solution, suspension and the colloids, in which of the following the impurities are being settled. So in the solution it is not settled, means we know that it is a transparent, so it should be dissolved properly, so no impurities are there, so obviously they will not settle. Then suspension, in suspension they will settle because they are not clearly dissolved because of no space between them, so they can settle, the impurities can settle. In the colloids they does not settle because it is the homogeneous mixture. So in the homogeneous mixture one kind of substance is required for the dispersed phase or dispersed phase of the medium. Here it is not settled because of the impurities are dissolved but not properly dissolved. Then third, behavior towards the light, means the molecules under the solution, suspension and the colloids, how they behave towards the light. What is their behavior? So solution, it is transparent, means light can travel in the transparent. Then suspension, it is not transparent because the impurities are present there, they are not properly dissolved also, impurities are present and settled, so that's why the traveled light cannot pass from it because of it is not transparent. Then colloids, in the colloids they are not transparent because the impurities we cannot see from our naked eyes, but in the filter paper we can see the impurities present in the colloids for their after the stirring of any substance, if we add for the solute and the solvent forming the substance. So here it is not transparent. Then size of the solute or the dispersed particle we can say, means the molecules under which these substances we are adding, that are being arranged in the proper line in the molecules of solvent. So what is their size in the solution, suspension and colloids? So in the solution 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So this is the size of the particle in the solution. Then in the suspension 10 to the power minus 6 meter, means the molecules which are present in the particles of suspension, they are of 10 to the power minus 6 meter. This is the size of the particle, a particular size of it. Colloids, in the colloids the particles which are being depicted in the substance or the solute and solvent forming the colloids. So here the size can be 10 to the power minus 9 meter, or we can take it as 10 to the power minus 6 meter. This both can be the size of the colloids comparing to the different substances present here by mixing, or we can take the more size or the medium size in the colloids because the different substances are present there and impurities are there that we cannot see, so that's why the size can be interchanged or connected to each other. So I hope you understood the characteristics of solution, suspension and colloid, and the explanation given by me is also clear. Thank you.